Hello students, hope you are doing very well at your home. Examination is just going to start in the coming week. Coming week? No, after that week. Revision week will going on. Okay, today we will discuss about animal tissues. As this topic has been started, you read the types of these tissues in previous video. Today our topic is epithelial tissue. This is the topic. Epithelial tissue. Okay, and this video I am preparing for class 9, most important. Okay, dear students, epithelial tissue is the simplest type of tissue in animals. They are made up of simple type of cells. Okay, they generally present in most of the parts of the body, and they cover the body from external side. They also cover the viscera, means internal organs. Just like you can take the example skin, cells of alimentary canal, lungs. Their lining is made up of epithelial cells. Okay, these epithelial cells are thin, flat and closely packed, leaving very less space for intercellular materials. They rest on a non-cellular basement membrane that is made up of glycoprotein and collagen fibers. Interesting thing in this cell, in these cells, in this tissue, that cells of the tissue are not traversed by blood vessels. Means blood do not pass through these cells. But the basement membrane, the blood vessels pass through the basement. Their main functions is the protection of body, protect the body from entry of germs, chemicals, mechanical injury. Okay, so these things we will see. If we talk about the characteristics, what thing I said, just you can write in points. That will be, according to my thinking, will be easy to learn. If you have any way, you can use that. Okay, first is, these are simplest type of cells. Second point you can write, they are closely packed, leaving. Okay, leave it. Third point you can write, they rest on non-cellular basement membrane point you can write, they are not traversed by blood vessels. Okay. Next point you can take, they form the lining. Lining means covering of viscera, means internal organs, internal part, body surface and cavities. Okay. These are some common because there are different types of epithelial cells, and in those epithelial cells their characters, their functions are also different. So all those characters, from all those characters, what character is present in all types of the cells, that I taken here. Okay. Their function is, you can write here, function is protect the body and viscera. Okay. Second thing, help in excretion, secretion, gas exchange, there are many functions. Okay. Now let's know about their types. What are the types of epithelial tissue? Types, you should try to speak in your mind if you see in the video, previous video. Squamous, epithelium. Second type is cuboidal epithelium. Third type is columnar epithelium. Fourth is ciliated. Fifth type is glandular. Sixth is the stratified. Okay, as I said in previous video and repeating again, these are actually three basic types of epithelium, and rest of the epithelium are the modifications depending on the need in the body. Okay, so these are main, three basic, and these are modified, abbreviated. Okay, so let's know about the characters and functions of these types one by one. Okay, so first of all, the squamous. Dear students, squamous epithelium are the simple, made up of simple cells. These cells are thin, flat, and closely arranged like the tiles in a floor. Listen, these are thin, flat, simple, and closely arranged cells. Maybe the layer of cell is one or more. Okay, that is depend on their types, because if more number of layers of these cohesive cells are arranged, they are called stratified. Okay, so these are thin, flat, cohesive cells arranged tightly like the floors in a tile, and that's why they are also called pavement epithelium. Okay, like tiles in the floor, they are arranged in the body like that. They form the external lining of body. Internal body parts means their lining. You can take the example like buccal cavity means mouth, alimentary canal. So their lining means covering is made up of this type of squamous epithelial cells. Okay, if you see in diagram, it will arranged like this because they are having irregular shape also. Okay, because in floor all tiles are not on in their actual shape, depending on the shape, size and need in the floor, they are modified. Okay, but I am showing you in this way. Okay, the prominent nucleus, and these cells are closely packed. Maybe some part of nucleus is visible here. These are the dotted part is cytoplasm. Okay, in this way they also appear. You have to see these cells in practical also. You know, CBSE syllabus has been modified, somewhat modified, and that syllabus will discussed with you soon after this examination, I think. Okay, so this is the basement membrane. Basement membrane. Okay, here this dotted part, is cytoplasm. Okay, this is, you know this famous name, nucleus, and here this is the cells are joined with intercellular junction, interconnected intercellular junction. Okay, so this is the structure of epithelial cells, and they are arranged. See, it is appearing like a part of floor. That's why they are called the tiles in a floor. Okay. Now, what function? You can write these things pointwise. What functions they perform? Their functions is to protect the body from mechanical injury, entry of germs, chemicals, etc. They help in exchange of gases. Okay. Locations. Their location is the pharynx, buccal cavity, alimentary canal, lungs, alveoli, blood vessels. Okay. So their lining is made up of this type of squamous epithelium. Listen the name carefully. Okay. Blood vessels, lungs, alimentary canal, okay, renal canal, means tubules, anal canal, vagina. These are some parts in the body. They are lined with this squamous epithelial cells, and their function is to protect the organs, to protect the internal parts from abrasion, घिसने से बचाना. Entry of germs, bacteria, they are prevented. It protects the body from mechanical injury. So these are the functions of this squamous epithelial cell. Okay. Now the second type of cell, means tissue in epithelial tissue, is the cuboidal. Name itself pointing, cuboidal, about the structure. Okay. This epithelia, let's draw the diagram first. Okay. They are cube-like. As tall as wide. That is called the cube. Okay. As tall as wide. Whenever you should draw in the copy, you should draw their height and width same. Okay. Cube shaped. In this is the basement membrane. This will be the cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm, and the central part is the nucleus. Okay, cytoplasm, nucleus, and basement membrane. These are the parts. So these epitheliums mainly line the cavities and glands in internal organs. Okay. Glands, ducts. Okay. They are simple type of cell, about as tall as wide. That is about the structure. Rest of the things similar. their occurrence, location in the body, they line the cavities. Cavities, you can take the example of buccal cavity. They line the ducts like the pancreatic duct, okay, salivary duct. They line the glands also like the thyroid gland, salivary gland, okay. So these are the locations, okay. What about their functions? Functions, similarly, you can write here, they line the cavities, glands and ducts. Main occurrence, okay. Function, now you can write the name of many parts like salivary duct, pancreatic duct, thyroid gland, buccal cavity. You can write them of these parts. Function, they help in excretion, gas exchange like in alveoli, okay. Absorption in intestine, है ना, absorption of water and absorbed food means digested food. Means their function is to line the glands. Absorption, help in excretion means they are able to contract and relax if they are in alveoli. They help in excretion of nitrogenous waste because they are present in the kidney tubules. So these are the functions of cuboidal cells. Dear students, this is enough for today. Tomorrow in next video I will discuss about the rest of the parts because there is no more. Rest of 3 I said are modified. Okay, so only one, that is the columnar epithelium remaining to explain, and I will explain all those 3, try to explain on tomorrow. Okay, till then watch this video again and again. Thank you, have a nice day.